massage movements with the 10 fingers. So strengthen our internal organs and heal a lot of sickness. This one look like you do this often, your skin, your face is more beautiful. So you click this area, good for your heart, okay? Strengthen your heart. Inside your palm, look, internal organs. You can strengthen your internal organs. So this one, when you do that, make your palms warm, strengthen internal organs, okay? This one can help your diabetes, prevent your diabetes, and make level your sugars level, balance the sugar level, okay? You can do the hand massage movements with the 10 fingers, okay? This one can be wonderful to strengthen our health, strengthen our internal organs, and heal a lot of sickness, okay? So the first movement, holding your hand together, like make a fist, and then you can touch outside of connection point over here between your thumb and index finger, okay? Right here, this area. You touch two of those, okay? Clap together. So you can tap this area 60 to 100 times. 100 times is the best. You feel a little bit pain and hurt, you feel it, but it's good. This one can make your face more relaxed. This one look like you do this often, your skin, your face is more beautiful. Breathe in, out. You can count 1 to 100 times. And you just relax and smile, okay? Breathe in, out. That's so wonderful. The second movement, offer flower to yourself. So you can touch the under wrist over here, okay? From the chest level, so you click this area, good for your heart, okay? Strengthen your heart. 100 times, breathe in, out. Look like you offer flowers to your own self. Relax your hands, relax your elbows. Slowly you can feel your inner wrist get red and warmer, okay? That's so wonderful. Shake your hands. Relax the fingers. Next one, face up, touch outside of from your little fingers. Yeah, this area. You touch together. This one can help yourself to heal your headache, migraine. Okay, breathe in, out, 60 to 100 times. Breathe naturally. That's so wonderful. And number 4 is cross your index fingers and then your thumb together. Yeah, do a connection point here. Okay, connection point between index finger. So to touch this area. Also help yourself to reduce headache with the same time toothache. You can do this. Breathe in, out. It's so fun, huh? Click together. It's so wonderful to have 2 hands free. You don't need to hold in anything. You can massage because you use your hand too much. So this one can circulate the energy, the blood in your hands, in your palms, and that's why help your internal organs. Okay, breathe in. Out. You also do this, massage this area 400 times. That's so wonderful. Open your palms, breathe in deep. Out. Slow, bring your mind back to the body. You rest your two palms on your knees. Relax your whole body, relax your palms. Relax your hands, arms. Feel your lower abdomen. The next movement, holding your two hands together. You tap all fingers together between each fingers. Acupressure point will help you to be healthy, okay? And then restore your energy. If you a little bit pain, a little bit hurt, but it's okay, that's normal. Breathe in. Out. You are doing acupressure. Each fingers. You can smile to yourself. Breathe in and out. Naturally through your nose. You can do 60, 100 times. Okay. So wonderful. The next one, left palm open up, the right palm, right hand make the fist. Okay, tap into your left palm. Okay, inside your palm, look internal organs. You can strengthen your internal organs. So this one, when you do that, make your palms warm, strengthen internal organs. Okay, within, out. You can clap 60 until 100 times, okay? That's so wonderful. And then the next movement, you make a fist with the left hand. Open your right palm, okay? We'll do opposite way. Breathe in. Also, have your internal organs. Strengthen your internal organs. Breathe in. Out. Tap 60 until 100 times. So wonderful. You can shake your hands again, all fingers, your elbows. Let it go, release all tension from your fingers, smiling. So the number 8, you tap between the back of your hand together, okay? This one can help your diabetes, prevent your diabetes, and make level your sugars level, balance the sugar level, okay? Feel very painful when you do this one, very strong. So don't do too strong but not too soft. You can do this 60 times until that time. It's very wonderful. I love this exercise. Breathe in, out. Breathe in, out. That's good. Oh, that's good. You see right over here, a little bit painful, but it's okay. Shake hand.